Hello guys, this is Amosdoll Music, and here are some things that you can apply and practice to make yourself a better musician. So remember, pause after each exercise to try it out for yourself. Okay, number 1, using the 2 fingers that you do for a peace sign in photos, yeah? Press or the group of 2 black keys from the bottom to top with your left hand like this. Okay, now try it for your right hand, like this. Okay, number 2. Using your second finger, so this finger on your left hand and this finger on your right hand, find and press all the C keys for me on the piano using the left to the 2 black key trick that I taught you in the previous lesson, from bottom to top with your left hand like this. Okay, then try it for your right hand like this. Number 3. Using your second finger with any hand, so same these fingers, start on the lowest C key that you can find on your piano and go up each white note all the way up the piano, saying the correct letter names for you to practice on how the musical alphabet cycle works. Okay, for my lowest C key, it is all the way down here. You can't really see it on the camera view, but you can hear it. But for your own piano, it may be different, so just check it out using the exercise 2 that we just did. Okay. So your goal is to do it as quickly as possible while saying out what you are playing correctly. So time yourself using a stopwatch. Okay, so I have my stopwatch right here. Okay, ready, set. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, 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 C. Okay, that was 12 seconds and 50 milliseconds. Yeah, okay. So, let's reset this. Okay, number 4. Okay, so saying the letters upwards for the musical alphabet is the easiest part, like what we did in the previous exercise, because everyone knows the alphabets, right? However, saying it in reverse troubles a lot of people. So now, I want you to start on the high C on the piano and then go down each white note all the way down the piano saying the correct letter names. Yeah, before we start though, here is a useful tip. Break it up into C, B, A, these 3 letters, followed by G, F, E, D, these 4 letters. So, repeat after me a few times. C, B, A, G, F, E, D. C, B, A, G, F, E, D. And then make it faster. C, B, A, G, F, E, D. CBA, GFED, etc. Okay, for my high C key, it is all the way up here. You can see it on the camera view. So once again, let's time ourselves and play the notes while saying the letters out loud, like this. CBA, GFED, 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 C. Okay, once again, that was a little bit slower because it's harder, so it's 14 seconds. Alright, anyway, so now, number 5. Say flat left, sharp right a few times for me, because we are going to use it for our practice examples right now. So, flat left, sharp right. Flat left, sharp right. Faster, flat left, sharp right. Flat left, sharp right. Flat left, sharp right. It's like a tongue twister. Okay, anyway, this exercise requires you to play the flat version followed by the sharp version of each white note going up the piano. So starting with C, you press the white notes with your left hand second finger. And then your right hand comes in, we play the C flat, C sharp. Now for the D, D flat, D sharp. Now for E, E flat, and E sharp. Okay, remember this one because people get it mixed up with this one. But E sharp is only the key right above it, right here. Okay, moving on. F. Okay, so this is F flat, remember? F sharp. Moving on to G. G flat, G sharp. Now to A flat, A sharp. Okay, to B flat, and then B sharp. Don't get tricked for this one as well. And then keep going if you get confused, etc. Yeah, your goal is to keep it really quick and think very quickly as well. So, keep going up the piano to practice so that you will never mix up the flats and sharps for particular notes later on.